UNMIK mandate has a particular history. This mandate has evolved due to changing circumstances. This mission should be, with all its experience, a knowledge-based institution with better understanding of the situation and ahead of others in detecting the trends and understanding the events and the developments.
In September 2019, the Secretary General of the United Nations launched the UN Secretariat Climate Action Plan. And it sets the targets in priority 8 areas. 92% of the greenhouse footprint is coming from peacekeeping for United Nations. I'm a member of peacekeeping. I'm the Chief Mission Support here at UNMIK. I'm also the chair of the Global Peacekeeping Energy Working Group. What we advocate for is reduce consumption, increase efficiencies, and invest in renewable energies.
Climate action depends on, of course, it's contextualized. What does it mean to countries? In Kosovo, what is particular of concern is air pollution. And linked to that, obviously, is electricity generation. How do we generate electricity? And here is mainly coal-based. So it's very heavy in terms of CO2 emissions and also in terms of polluting the air.
We're the first peacekeeping mission who has achieved ISO 14001 environmental management certification. This has all taken teamwork.
ISO 14001 is an international standard, and in June 2021 we achieved the certification, and our aim with the certification is actually to improve our environmental performance through using more natural resources, minimizing our waste and also our environmental footprint. The certification is looking for all the improvements that we do on environment. We need to monitor and to actually try to improve our environment here. Even printing, that's one of the indicators there. Waste is another one. Assessment of UNMIK sites, something that we are doing here. I'm assessing every year each UNMIK site and reporting non-conformities or good practices for each site to CMS and monitoring the processes. So all of these are part of ISO 14001.
The Mission Support Division works very closely with all of the mission stakeholders, and it involves the legal office at the earliest stage in all of its activities. So we're involved in the planning stage and at the implementation stage as well. And we've been able to assist with research, guidance on legal frameworks in Kosovo and as related to our office in Belgrade. So close coordination is key.
The first year is a certification. It's the stage 1 and stage 2 audits from external auditors. They come and visit the site and closes all the chapters that are in the standard and review our documents. So this is the first year of the audit, and they usually review 2 of our sites. And the next year is surveillance audit, where they again come visit the site, and in addition to 2 of the sites, they visit also the additional site that they haven't been before. The third year is surveillance, the same procedure as the previous year, and later on we again start with the auditing process, which is every 3 years we have to renew our certificate.
We are reducing the CO2 emissions for 340 tons per year, which is offset of 48,000 trees.
UNMIK self-generates around 30% of its electricity from renewable energy. We have solar PV system in our main headquarters, in 1 additional site in Mitrovica, and in 3 FTS repeater sites. Our aim is in the future to increase the renewable energy sources and to contribute more and align with the UNSCAP.
In UNMIK, we do not mention environment because we want to look fancy, and this is a really value, and this is something that we want to consider it in our daily work.
We cannot have done what we're doing without the good guidance and the strategies and policies we're getting from DOS, as well as the technical assessments and support we get from our colleagues in Brindisi.
With the support of the other colleagues and the implementation of these projects, we also increased our missions environmental scorecard. And we are one of the top missions in top 3, let's say, that we have a good environmental scorecard, and our aim is to improve it every year. The main benefit is to show the local community that we care for the environment.
I think we can show the way, we can actually help to inspire others, and we can also, of course, be modeling the behavior that we talk about. So we are really here, we say that, you know, let's green the way that we live, that we work, that we consume and produce, and this is exactly what we are doing.
A mission is not just about understanding. A mission is about how it works.
Here at UNMIK, we try to lead by example. Not only have we made a difference by going from regular vehicles to investment in hybrid vehicles, implementation of solar panels, which has greatly decreased our consumption of electricity, but also in new technologies.
Environment plays a role, and it's also extremely important that all projects that we do, there should never be any harm done to the environment, and we pay very close attention to that, but we want to do better.